top repairer this morning, Jay Hyde on Instagram. I just want to show you this. So this looks like a really great repair, but it has got a little couple of defects in it. I can just catch in the light. So I've got a couple of D-nibs to do there, little sort of silicone spot. And there's another one, oh, there we go, just caught it. So what looks great from far away isn't always what's actually there. So I'll just D-nib those out, flatten them off, and then it'll be a really nice finish. We all get them, we just don't always show them. So for little silicone fisheyes that you've just seen me show you, or D-nibs, I use the Norton Pure Ice 1000. I like this product, it's a really good product. It's got a good lifespan compared to other sanders. It comes in a 77mm and it's 1000 film. You can use it wet and dry, but on little D-nibs I tend to cut out the centers to make it a 50mm on my little 50mm DA, and it works. So you can have the larger one or you can have a homemade smaller one. Hope that helps. So here we go. I've got rid of the little silicone crater I had there, or fisheye, depending on how I just put a mark on the paintwork anyway. So there you go. I've got rid of that, and I got rid of the other one down here. I'm going to just look at my reflection in there. So what it is never be afraid about little things like that. Just, you know, if you get them, we all get mistakes, we all get little D-nibs that need doing in a panel. Just flatten them off, give it a polish, and then you get a super finish.